Hi, Gary Bernier, Wizard of Digital at Business Growth Guys, a Wizard of Ads partner. And what we're going to talk today about is how do I create ongoing social media content about your business that will increase your likes, your follows, and your sales. The simple answer is I'm going to teach you how to tell a story. All stories have a beginning, a middle, and an end. Well, how does that play into content creation? Well, what if it was, what am I planning to do? Oh, look, I'm doing it. I've started it. Oh, look what's happened to the thing that I was working on. Look at what I learned from this. Or here's a little tip that I know from doing this 1,000 times. Hey, here's the finished product. Hey, here's what I'm going to be doing next. That little bit of a story arc can be applied to a whole bunch of different things. Now, what makes it even better is when you add an emotional content. So, how did you feel about it? How did people react to it? Is there a way to bring emotion into the story? Let's take a look at an example. My customer makes high-end racing auto parts, and they take their cars to the track regularly. So, they can take pictures of packing up, getting ready to leave for the track, driving to the track, at the track, in the car, racing around, post-race debrief, packed up, heading home. Now, it gets a whole lot better if we start with the kissing of the wife and the kids goodbye, or the kids waving goodbye, or the dog looking out the door as the truck's leaving with the trailer behind it. Are they happy wrenching on the car or unhappy wrenching on the car? Are they having a good time while they're at the track? And then welcome back by the wife or kids or dogs. And so that kind of gives you an arc and a number of beats that you can hit. Now, on their product creation side, thinking about a new part, initial design, prototyping, testing, refinement, production, and launch. Again, bring in the inquisitive, the noodling, the happy, the unhappy, and the celebration. Now, maybe you're a home services company and you have guys that are regularly called out to fix a problem. You have to find the problem. You found the problem. You're fixing it. It's fixed. The customer's happy. You're packed up. You're on to the next job. Is the customer happy to see you? Are they happy to see you leave? How do you capture those moments in those smiles? Make it personal. Another one of our companies is an RV company, and they sell other people's RVs. So the RV being dropped off, being spruced up, being placed on the lot, being marketed, people coming and looking at the unit, and then it's sold. You get a happy consignor, you get a happy buyer. So again, lots of places to bring emotion into it. The reason I'm talking about all these beats and how to build a story is because you're going to drip out the content. Dripping out the content means you're going to make individual posts about the content. So here's the post on the 27th, heading to the racetrack, tell the story over multiple days. You drag it out because you don't want to bombard somebody with all the content about the race and the story on one day. You're going to tell a little bit each day. So you've got the 27th and the 28th posted here. Now, on top of that, you can have company content, which are birthdays, anniversaries, both the companies and the employees. You can have company meetings. You can have employee awards. You can have food, pets, kids. Those are great to bring in. Special events, hiring and training. All of that stuff that happens with inside your company makes good social content. On top of that, you can layer on all of the regular monthly content. New Year's, Valentine's, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Independence Day, Labor Day, Halloween, Veterans Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas. At least one for every month. And Mother's Day, Father's Day, you can create lots of content around that. So some bonus content you can tie into newsworthy items. These are things that are currently happening. Did you see this? Can you believe this? Now, this may not be newsworthy, but it's kind of an example of bonus content. Who's right? Right? It was a great question. It did cause a social media debate in the comments. Here's changing to bookings for the campsites. That's important information for campers to know what's going on with parks. You can also go back in the time machine. You can use something that was posted before or something that was never posted. This was great. It reminds me of. It's hard to believe. So here's Brian Scudamore, owner of 1-800-GOT-JUNK, posting about his first office and what it used to look like before he became the mega successful entrepreneur that he is today. Another bonus piece of content is testimonials. here's a pro tip on how to get one. You write a testimonial that you need and you send it out to your client. Hi, Bob. I was wondering if you could provide me with a testimonial. I've written this for you as an example. Feel free to write your own or edit this until you feel comfortable, or if you like it as is, just reply with the word approved. Thanks. You can also take any Google review that you've received over on Google and bring that into your social media as well as a testimonial type post. Or you can pull out your phone and you can actually capture testimonials with your customers at the moment of purchase. Another great way to create content. So hopefully this has given you an idea on how to put together a lot of content for your business. So do us a digital favor and subscribe to the channel and give us a like for the video. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments and we'll answer them there or in a future video. Thank you.